Hey, little piggies. Wish we had food. Oh, you want to give him some jerky? You want to give him some jerky?
Man, these motherfuckers better be throwing down on this shit. Yeah, I got two, one for each of them. Here, you can get one, I'll get one.
Some food? Here, I'm gonna throw it. When you get a little closer, I'm gonna throw it. Hey! I think they want it. I can already see it.
Oh, shit.
Are you ready? Are you ready, bud? You ready for the grandest of views? We made it.
We out here at the GC.
All right, now we're gonna jump off. We're about to climb down into this bitch.
That's the rock right there.
Oh, that's the rock right there. Scared, bud?
Yeah.
Good. Should be. Here, you lead the way, and then if you need me to take over, I'll do it.
Adventure boy.
Oh, yeah, that's the way we went last time.
This way?
Yeah. Not gonna lie, it's nothing too sketchy, but if you slip right here and you keep going, you're going off.
No shit.
Here, go down right here.
Huh?
Right here.
Down right here?
Yeah. That way, it's just gonna take us higher. You got it.
How do we get back up?
Come on. Don't be scared, child. Hey, look, it's pretty easy to get back up.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, so just like on a make sure you're on some good footing.
I'm scooting down, fuck this.
Make sure you on some good footing. You wanna climb down right here?
Not really.
It doesn't look difficult. When you get to that part right there, like you climb down to that part, and then you kind of go down the crack.
Yeah, actually it doesn't look hard at all.
You wanna do it?
It kind of looks sketchy.
I'll start climbing down. I'll go down first. Just be careful where you step. So once you get onto this part, you're good. Unless this falls, which I don't think it will. Zipped up. Get a good grip for my hand there. This is some real rock climbing, dude. Yeah, honestly, this is not sketchy. Like, I feel like pretty good doing this right now. I think you'll be good if you want to try it. This rock right here looks a little sketchy, so I wouldn't put your weight on this one. And then right here, don't go right here.
Where? To the left?
Yeah, like don't stay like, oh, I see the way we went before. We didn't climb down this way, but I wouldn't go down this because if you slide,
You're literally falling down.
you're going off. Wow. I can't believe I'm back here.
It's honestly not even.
You're just looking like a pussy on camera, though.
Well, I mean, there's a valley right there. Like, if I were to fall back right now, I would literally fall to my death.
Oh, yeah, for sure. But you're not going that way. You're going to come right through here. All right, Spot. Thanks. Now time to climb up. See how difficult climbing up this bitch is. So if I fall, it's all over. So if you're watching this video, you pick it off my body at the bottom of this cliff, you'll see how I fell. Pretty easy. Yeah. I made it.
It looks like there's a hut over there or something.
Yeah, it's like there's like a little town area.
Oh.
We at the Grand Canyon. It's pretty grand.
Canyon is grand. Damn, this looks like a good ledge to like jump off of.
I don't wanna go unless you're going. Isolate, I'm sorry, I'm so late, I couldn't. I got plenty left.
Should I whip my dick out on camera?
You want?
No, I won't do dick. I'll just do balls. Not even plural, just one. Just like, you know, let it take a little breather.